Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if this is the first time you guys see me, then welcome. I'm Sarali, a beautician based here in Lebanon. So for today's video, it's part 2. So after many months of trying these products and really studying them, I finally have my thoughts about them. I currently have 3 coats of the lash brag, so we're gonna get into this in the video. But before we start, if you guys liked part 1 or you didn't watch part 1, then go ahead and watch the other video if you're interested about the brow pencils, from the brow wiz to the brow definer, both of them, how much they have lasted in the last 6 months, how much I've been using it, and the colors. I have 3 different shades, from the ABH to the Morphe eyebrow pencils, so we kind of swatch them so that if you guys are ever curious to get one of these products, you know what color to get. Excuse the nails, but I got these nails last year because, I'm a junkie for these kinds of things, and I didn't watch the show, and I'm currently watching Lucifer the show. I was searching what nails to wear, and then I was like, oh, you know what, you look that kind of look like you're coming with me now. So yeah, we went with these, even though they are crazy long. These are from Mondora. She's closing this year, so if you guys want to get anything from her, get it now. Don't wait, get it now. Believe me, you will not regret it. Talent, what can I say? Talent and hard work. Look at this beauty. So I guess that's it. Let's get into the video. First came out with this little kit, like they came out with multiple products from Anastasia, and that's the first one I was like in love with, and I didn't want to get, I wanted to get it, but I didn't want to get it because I was like, I could get like the full size mascara because that's the most one I'm excited for, and the eyeliner, big sizes, for a tiny bit more than what this is worth. But then I found out, if you guys didn't watch it, my Pupa Milano video for the concealer and the mascara, mini mascara, that getting the mini version might be better than getting the full size, and that's what made me mostly buy it, because I was like, at first I was like, it's a waste of money for the mini, but then I was like, oh wait, no, great, I'm getting the mini one. So this comes with a little manual mascara. The mascara is that small. Oh, that small. Super small. Super small. Okay, I like the logo on top. That's something I really like. Okay, so this is really small. So usually mini mascaras are like 4 milliliters. This is 2.5 milliliters. So this is small. Like, look at the difference between the Pupa Vamp and this. It's like, it's so small. Like, it feels like children makeup. Anyway, I've heard so much about this mascara for the last like 3-4 years, if I'm not wrong. And I've been wanting to try it. I didn't know where, but I wanted to try it. So I'm excited, but at the same time, I'm heartbroken on how small this looks. This looks like a little fragrance perfume that you just travel with. Okay, it's the same wand. It's a nice wand, but can you do your mascara with like that much? Like my nails are touching it. Like it's gonna drop from my hand, oh my god. First coat. This looks very natural, like, but it's nice. It's nice. Like, if you're feeling like putting something that doesn't really look like mascara and just like your lashes are brushed up, then this is nice. But the amount, for me putting on these nails and getting that, I'm very disappointed. Like, my heart is broken. But we're gonna keep going. I even created this entire eye look in honor of the Anastasia mini kit. And that's what I get. I'm heartbroken, literally. Okay, the second coat definitely looks way better. Okay, I'm in love. I think I'm gonna get the big one. Oh my god. This is stunning. Look at the difference. Like, look at that difference. They're gonna make me buy the big one. Let me put the other eye on. Let me put the other eye on. I'm already heartbroken. How long will this last? Like, I'm seriously curious to know how long this mascara will last with me, because I already feel like it's not gonna last that long. This feels like it's drying down while I'm using it. If anyone has it, does it feel the same, or is it just mine? Like, it feels like, doesn't feel like the brush is just coated with that mascara. It feels like there's barely any mascara in there, and that it's kind of like on the verge of drying out, which is weird because usually mascaras are like full. Even the mini ones. The mini ones, everything is smaller, so it has more, like, the brush is immediately in contact with the product and everything. So this one, you take it out and you immediately see the product. This is breaking my heart right now because I'm like expecting it to have so much product, and yet my heart is broken. My heart is really broken. Second coat, and I'm like applying from the tip because the tip has the most product in. The lashes look amazing. You can't talk anything about how the lashes look, but it does feel like when you're using mascara and it's about to like dry out, like you maybe still have a month with it, that's how it feels like. Like, it feels like you're brushing something that doesn't have a lot of product on the wand, and it's like you're forcing it to come out. But the lashes look amazing. Like, maybe it's just that the mascara, like the wand, just picks up everything it needs. It doesn't pick up over. It might be that because the lashes look amazing, but at the same time you need to dip back in and re-put it on, and then dip back in and put it on and dip back in, and it's a lot of dipping. I don't know what to think about this. I don't know if it's the cold that is making it like freeze a little bit in place. Maybe that's why I'm like trying to heat it, even though I'm like not gonna use it again. I tried to apply one more coat on this. I really don't know what to think about all of these. I'm heartbroken at how small, and it's like my heart is broken. We'll test it out for the next week, and we'll see the verdict. Hopefully it'll be a good one because my heart is broken. It really is. All this makeup, I spent at least 30 minutes doing these rhinestones for what? For something that broke my heart? You see, that's why you shouldn't be applying makeup for men. That's why. For guys, for boys, for men, whatever it is, you shouldn't be applying makeup for them, because I just had my heart broken from a little product. Imagine if I had to do makeup for a guy. Never do your makeup for a guy. Do it for yourself. Do it because you feel amazing with it, because, you know, there's that part of you that comes out. Like, maybe the person you wish to be, it allows it to come out easier, you know? Never do your makeup for guys, because I just had my heart broken live in front of you from a product. I spent 30 minutes doing these, and at the end of the day... Oh wait, they're not symmetrical? Great. See? See? Heartbroken. Heartbroken. I'll be back in a few hours. Maybe, I don't know. I'm so heartbroken that I don't even think I'll come back after a few hours. but we'll see the verdict at the end, yeah, we'll see it. Okay, so last time you saw me, I had a turtleneck. I was freezing my ass off, and now I'm just wearing a dress. Yeah, it's been months. It's been half a year. I filmed that review. It was April. It was March. Today we are in September, half of September. So I finally have my thoughts about it. I had my thoughts about it a long time ago, but I just thought the video will film itself. You know, I don't have to sit and actually film it. It will film itself. So we are finally talking about the mini set. I will start with these two products, the mascara and the clear brow gel, since this video is just for that. If you want to know more about the eyebrow pencil, then part 1 is up. Mascara, I'm wearing it right now. No, I'm not wearing the brow gel, but I have a video where I'm going to be showing it. Look, mascara, I love it. I just bought the full size, actually. I love how beautiful it looks on the eyes. If someone doesn't really like to have, you know, full blown out mascara, it's like really a natural look. This is beautiful. It really is. This one is a few milliliters bigger than the mini one. I love this mascara. It really just gives you such natural looking lashes. And if you guys saw my TikTok, I even talked about how I mix this mascara whenever I have a meeting, or you know, I'm going out, or clients or anyone. I just wear this mascara with something else. So if this looks too natural, I wear it with something else. Usually I pair it with 2 other mascaras. So if you guys want to watch that video, go to my TikTok. It'll be linked down below. I really love it. I don't think I have anything bad to say. If you love extreme lashes, and this is not for you, but if you're a fan of natural looking lashes, they just like, they're beautiful, you know? It's just, they're like a difference. Just don't poke your eye with it like I always do. I only poke my eye when I'm filming. Blown out, if it makes sense. I don't know. They're nice, you know? It's nice. زايحين مظبوط. Every lash is brushed up. I love the wand on this. I really love how the wand looks like. I'm not using it regularly, so I'm still using the mini one. Like since 6 months ago, I'm still using it. I don't use this really often. It's kind of a 1 time, 2 times a week kind of thing. So yeah, that's for the lash brag. Depends on what you like, but I personally love it. The clear brow gel, I saw a lot of reviews because I wanted to be sure what I'm going to be talking about it. It keeps your brows in place, but it doesn't take them up. You know, it doesn't lift them up. It just like keeps them in place. I have really stubborn hair, so no, like that I cannot achieve that. It kind of does a good job at keeping the hairs up on my end brow, like the end tail. That's where, you know, it keeps them up, but on the middle, no, they fall, like they immediately fall. So I don't know how one influencer was talking about how you lifted and her brows looked, I don't know, there's something wrong with that, because all the videos I saw, none of them, their eyebrows got lifted that way. No matter how thin their brows were or thick, none. So I don't know. I'm not gonna call the on her, but I mean, a lot of people are ready to say a lot of things in order to get paid a few extra bucks. So yeah, I'm sorry about that. It's a good product. I'm not saying it's a bad one, but does it lift, like really lift? No, it doesn't lift. And the alcohol smell is strong, but it gets like now it's been like open for 6 months, I guess, or 5. Like the smell has kind of evaporated because obviously alcohol evaporates. It's good if, you know, you don't really like a huge lifted brow. If you just want to brush them in place, yeah. If you want to brush them in place to be lifted up, no. It depends what you're going after. So I use this from once in a while. I guess it's gonna depend on you. I already use this whenever sometimes I like to use it because I don't want lifted brows. I just want brows that stay in place. Then yeah, they don't fall when you use this. Like you're not gonna see a brow here on your brow bone, but no matter how much you try to lift them up, they're not gonna stay up, especially the ones on the first half of your brow. No, they're not gonna stay up. The outer tail, yeah, probably, but they're kind of going to go back in place throughout the day. I use this, I like it. It's not an innovative product, it's not that much of a wow product, but if you have stubborn hair, you don't like to lift them, you don't like the whole lifted kind of a boy brow look, you just want brows that stay in place, and this is great for you. I use it on clients, I use it on older women, I use it on myself. I don't mind it, but it doesn't, like you saw the video, it's not standing. كيف هذا بترشوا spray على شعركم? That's the feeling. They didn't exactly, what's the word? They didn't exactly mention that. It's not that, oh, it's gonna lift your brows, kind of like the brow freeze. Like, no, they said that it's a clear brow gel. Like, yeah, they're gonna stay in place, but they're not gonna be lifted. So that's the only thing I hate about influencers that try to make a product something it's not. Or let's say she was able to do that with this product, like she didn't exactly mention how she got it to be like that. She might have pressed the brows really well, applied it and reapplied it, and just pressed them really well in order for them to stay up that high. I just wanted to mention that. I hope I was able to help you. If you want the rest for these brow pencils, the review, yeah, I guess that's it for today's video. I apologize that it took me so long. I know that it was really cheap. Okay, not really cheap, but it was like 500,000 Lebanese pounds when I got it, and now it's like 800 Lebanese pounds, so I'm really sorry about that. If you guys want a discount on this, I know it's out of stock right now, but if you want a discount on this from Feel22, then use Ranim's code if you want a 10% off on any product from Feel22. She right now went to the Feel22 family, so I'm so happy for her. You get 10% off and you help someone that is actually with cruelty-free products, kind of to like support them. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button so that it reaches other people, and comment down below if you have any questions. I'll be more than happy to help you, and yeah, I guess I'll see you in the next video.